Students, see this picture. Did you get it? Okay, let me see you another picture. Now did you get it? Okay, let me tell you what is this. Welcome to my YouTube channel. A picture says more than 1,000 words. Yes, students, today we are going to discuss about the visual communication. So let's start. What is the visual communication? Let's have a brief history of the visual communication in ancient. The beginning of visual communication is found in the earliest form of painting done with the help of leaves, stones, and other naturally available substance like seed. Sign and symbols were also made using these techniques by the ancestor men. These visual conveys messages and made the life of the then time easier. Students, visual communication is one of the oldest, fastest, and easiest way of communication. It is the one of the two types of communication. You have already studies uh, verbal and non-verbal communication, and the visual communication is the most important part of the communication in ancient as well as in today's life. Students, in this session we will discuss introduction to visual communication, the history of visual communication, role of visual communication in graphics and design, visual communication analysis, visual aids, advantages and disadvantages of visual communication. Students, as you know, communication happens among two or more people in which one is sender and other is receiver. Communication start with sender and end with receiver's feedback to the sender. So visual communication is the transmission of ideas and information with the help of symbol and imagery. It is one of the three main types of communication and believed to the type that people rely on the most. Okay, visual communication is visual expression of emotion, data, information, and knowledge. The term can be applied to anything visual, including art, architecture, cities, product, user interface, media, publications, advertising, entertainment, performing art, and fashion. So, students, visual communication is covers with many terms. Visual communication includes road signals, road diversion, map, chart, table, sign of a school, hospital, complex, and more. Uniform of students, uniform of doctors, uniform of police force. These all are visual communication. Visual communication is the transmission of data, views, thought, idea using sign and pictures. Students, in ancient history, the ancient people uses picture to communicate with one another. So those pictures which were used by the people, those pictures are visual example of visual communication. Students, see this picture. This picture the shows the map of a country like China, and this is the example of visual communication. This is the hierarchy of some member of the companies. This is the example of visual communication. See here, these are the example of visual communication. This this flowchart shows the example of visual communication. Here is the example of visual communication. Yes, see this. This is very important. Without saying anything, without words, without indicating anything, you can understand by seeing these pictures. These pictures are the example of visual communication. Let me show you another picture. This is also the example of visual communication. These are the sign. or the example of visual communication. Here again, these are the example of visual communication. Students, today's life, visual communication get more effective uh, in our daily life. Here is some of the advantages of the visual communication. So most of them are effective for illiterate receivers. Yes, in case of receiver is illiterate, then the visual communication is very important for him or her. As you know, in visual communication, we use picture and sign to transfer the views and ideas to the receiver. So it is very easy for the illiterate. Yes, if the receiver are illiterate, the visual communication will become more effective to exchange information. They can easily understand the information that is presented visually. Yes, and the second, help in oral communication. The role of visual communication is very important in oral communication. Visual communication express the complete concept of oral communication. Next, easy explanation. Yes, visual communication helps to explain anything easily, very easily. Just like if you use table, if you use chart, they are very easy to understand to the receiver. If you use picture of anything, so small kids can understand them very easily. So this is the good advantages of visual communication. Next, simple presentation. Yes, simple presentation, you can make visual communication in form of the symbol, that is complex information, data and figure can be easily presented very simply on the graph, picture and diagram. Yes, in sometimes the communication did not happen due to complexity of data. कॉम्प्लेक्स जब डेटा आपका कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है या फिर लार्ज अमाउंट में डेटा होता है तो उसको रिटन फॉर्म में समझाना इजी नहीं होता. सो विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन कैन प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन दैट टाइम ऑफ पीरियड. Prevents wastage of time. Yes, it prevents the wastage of time. Like seeing any picture, we suddenly understand what the picture is saying. मतलब कोई भी पिक्चर को अगर हम देखते हैं तो तुरंत समझ जाते हैं कि ये पिक्चर क्या कर रहा है. दैट इज ये हमारे टाइम को सेव भी करता है. हेल्प इन क्विक डिसीजन. यस, इफ वी कंसीडर समथिंग क्विकली, वी कैन ऑल्सो डिसाइड क्विकली. अगर हम किसी चीज, कोई पिक्चर देख करके कोई चीज हम आसानी से समझ लेते हैं तो इसका मतलब कि हम उस पर आसानी से डिसीजन भी ले लेते हैं. लेट्स एन एग्जांपल ऑफ स्मॉल किड्स. स्मॉल किड्स को आप लिख करके समझाओ, नहीं समझ पाएंगे. अगर उन्हें आप पिक्चर दिखा दो तो वो आसानी से समझ जाएंगे और उस पर वो तुरंत रिस्पॉन्स करेंगे. पॉपुलर. यस, विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन इज वेरी पॉपुलर. यू कैन सी इन रोड साइड आप देख तो zigzag, stop, go, slow go. These are the example of visual communication and these are very popular. Other artful presentation adds impact of information, quicker understanding. In today's life आप देखो होर्डिंग है, बैनर है, पोस्टर है. these are the example of visual communication and these are more effective than the written. अगर कोई चीज आप दीवार पे लिखी है उसको आसानी से नहीं समझ पाते हो, अगर वही पोस्टर उसका लगा है, you can understand them very easily. Okay, students, let's talk about the disadvantages of communication. Yes, it has the disadvantages also. If something had advantages, just you need to understand they have also disadvantages. Costly. Yes, it is very costly. If you make the graphic on computer, if you make the poster, banner, holding, right, it take very cost. Complex presentation. Sometimes it become complex for the student, for the illiterate people also. अगर हम कोई भी डेटा कॉम्प्लेक्स, जैसे अगर टेबल की बात करें, टेबल आपने डिजाइन कर दिया, किसी भी जैसे पॉपुलेशन का आपने टेबल डिजाइन कर दिया, तो उसको इलिटरेट पर्सन को समझना इजी नहीं होता है. इनकम्प्लीट मेथड. समटाइम्स विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन कैनॉट हैपन विथ कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन. कभी कभी होता है कि विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को कंप्लीटली प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाता है. दिस टेक्निक कंसीडर्ड एज एन इनकम्प्लीट मेथड. विजुअल प्रेजेंटेशन इज नॉट सफिशिएंट टू कम्युनिकेट इफेक्टिव एंड क्लियरली, बट ऑल्सो इट कैन बी सक्सेसफुली यूज्ड विद ओरल कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, wastage of time. Yes, visual communication takes time. Yes, if you draw the painting, if you draw the sketch, if you draw the sign of anything, that may takes time. difficult to understand sometimes, not all the times. Sometimes it become very difficult to understand. Basically, it is become difficult for the illiterate people. Problem for general readers. General people are not prefer to communicate through visual communication with others. Sometimes it can create an impression upon people or listener. It is less influential and cannot be used anywhere. Problem for general readers means it depends of it depends on the कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रीडर्स व्यूज. ये रीडर्स के माइंड सेट पे डिपेंड करता है. कभी कभी नॉट ऑल द टाइम ये रीडर्स के माइंड सेट के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. जनरली कुछ रीडर्स ऐसे होते हैं कि जो आपकी वॉइस को ही समझ पाते हैं. वो आप इमेजेस उनको भेजो या उनको जैसे हो सकता है आप इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इन लोकल एरियाज, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इन विलेज एरिया, अगर आप शादी का कार्ड सिर्फ भेज देते हो तो आसानी से नहीं समझ पाते जब तक आप उनको बोलते नहीं हो. करेक्ट. Other ambiguity, situation, problem, delay in taking a decision. These are the disadvantages of visual communication. So, students, let's end up this session. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. And share this video to your friend circle, which are very beneficial to them. Thank you and have a wonderful day.